Hi, good day everyone. I'm MJ and I'm going to tackle the benefit cost ratio analysis, which is the seventh method used in the selection of alternatives. So, what is benefit cost ratio analysis? A benefit cost ratio analysis is a most commonly used method by government agencies for analyzing the desirability of public projects, or ito yung methods na ginagamit ng government or ng DPWH for making a project like building a bridge or making a roads. So, benefit cost ratio is also an indicator showing the relationship between the relative cost and the benefits of a proposed project. Formula for solving BC is equals to benefits minus benefits divided by cost. So note, if BC is greater than less than 1.0, accept the project as economically acceptable, for the estimates and discount rate is applicable. So what is cost? Cost is estimated expenditures to the government entity for construction, operation, and maintenance of the project plus any expected salvage value. So ito yung pera na ginagamit ng government for constructing a project, or budget na ginagamit for a project. Then, what is benefits? Benefits is the advantages to be experienced by the owners in the public, which is pag sole proprietorship, pag sulay niya yung project more on sa owners, so madami siyang benefits at saka nakita, pero more on sa public to, sa government agencies, which is yung mga tao, like pagpapagawa ng tulay o ng kalsada, public ang gumagamit, mga tao. Then, what is these benefits? So, ito yung disadvantages of a project, or it is expected undesirable or negative consequences to the owners if the alternative is implemented. These benefits may be indirect economic disadvantages of the alternatives. So, ito naman yung disadvantages, which is sa ongoing project, hindi natin masasabi na wala itong magiging resultang these benefits. So, yung these benefits, ima-minus siya dun sa cost. The benefit cost ratio of the capital invested is BC is equals to incremental benefit over incremental cost. If BC is less than 1, select the alternative with a lower investment initial cost. And if BC is greater than 1, select the alternative with a higher investment initial cost. So, I prepare 3 sample problems which consist of economically acceptable project and not, and which one is better. So, sample problem 1. The national government intends to build a dam and hydroelectric project in the Cagayan Valley at a total cost of 455,500,000 pesos. The project will be financed by sovereign loan with an interest of 5% per year. The annual fees for operation, maintenance, distribution, facilities, and others will total 15,100,000 pesos. If the structure are expected to last for 50 years with no salvage value, question is the project economically acceptable? Using equivalent uniform annual cost method, EUAC, here is the solution. So, given the annual benefit, 56,500,000 pesos, the annual cost is 455,500 455,500,000 pesos. For computing AP, the formula is P over A is equals to 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 over I, 1 plus I raised to n. So, given the I as 5% and n is equals to 50, add natin yung 15,100,000 pesos, which result as the annual cost of 40,061,400. So, BC is equals to benefit over cost. So, ang BC is 56,500,000 pesos divided by 40,061,000 pesos for 61,400. So, magiging resulta, BC is equals to 1.41. Therefore, the project is acceptable. Sample problem number 2. Two routes are under construction for a new highway. Route A would be located about 5 miles from the central business district and would require longer travel distance by local commuter traffic. Route B past directly through the downtown area, and although its construction cost would be higher, it would reduce the travel time and distance for local commuters. The cost for the two roads are as follows. Ang Route A, initial cost is 200 million. Ang Route B is 250 million. The maintenance per year is 700,000 for Route A, and Route B is 1,100,000. Road user cost per year is equals to 10 million, and for Route B is 4 million. If the roads are assumed to last for 30 years with no salvage value, which route should be accepted on the basis of a benefit cost ratio analysis using an interest rate of 15%? Using equivalent uniform annual cost method, EUAC solution. So, ang magiging benefit ng Route A is equals to 315,600. Ang Route B is 391,715. Then, BC is equals to incremental annual benefit over incremental cost. Incremental annual benefit is equals to 60,000. Yung cost is 80,150. So, 60,000 divided by 80,150 is equals to 0.7485. Therefore, Route A should be selected for construction kasi siya yung mas last. Sample problem number 3. The government is considering the construction of a new highway in a rural area. The expected cost of the project is 50 million pesos with an annual upkeep of 500,000. The accessibility of the project is expected to result in additional income from tourists 6 million per year. The road is expected to have a useful life of 30 years. If the rate of interest is 15%, should the project the road be constructed? Solving BC ratio using annual worth method. Solution. Benefit is equals to 6 million per year. This benefit is equals to 500,000 per year. Annual cost is equals to P over I, 1 plus I raised to n divided by 1 plus I n minus 1. So, 50 million pesos is 1 over 0.15. 1 plus 0.15 raised to 30 divided by 1 plus 0.15 raised to 30 minus 1 is equals to 7,734,970.116. For computing benefit cost ratio, benefit minus this benefit over cost. So 6 million minus 500,000 divided by 7,734,970.116 is equals to 0.711056. Therefore, the project is not justified since benefit cost is less than 1.0. That's all. Thank you.